Dear CMA friends, this is an important announcement regarding our CMA Institute's tie-up with ACCA, Association of Chartered Certified Accountant UK. It's a great announcement. It's a great news for us. So far, we had only with CIMA. Even that was not, taking off in India from the CIMA side. But now, ACCA, it's going to be a very good opportunity, friends, for us. Now, the announcement says, all those CMA passed out friends with less than 5 years of experience, they have to write out of 13 papers in ACCA, 7 papers are exempted. Only 6 papers they have to write. Repeat, 7 papers exempted for CMA friends, those who have completed, those who have the experience of less than 5 years after completing CMA, and those who have more than 5 years of experience, they need not write 9 papers. 9 papers exempted. So they have to write only 4 papers. It's a great boom for us. So therefore, you need not worry about the possibility of not doing CA. Now CA friends are doing ACCA. Now this recent announcement, even CMA friends can complete ACCA. RR Academy, Chennai, thinking of maybe starting ACCA course for CMA friends in the near future. We had a tie-up with the CIMA almost 2013 to 2018. We had a tie-up. We gave very successful results. Now we will be thinking of it in future. That is the announcement which I would like to share for our CMA friends. Thank you very much.
Over, sir.
One more.
Wait.
CMA student friends, those who are going to write the October examination, foundation, you have to, you will be appearing on, it is 5th September. You will be writing the exam on 5th September. Now you have to revise. Time is there. Say another 15 days we have. Model exam question paper has come. Mock test, a test paper with answers have come, published by the institute. All foundation friends, please go through. And RR Academy also conducting online mock exam. Online mock exam. Please contact RR Academy for the necessary information. This exam you have to take online. It's home-based. You can use laptop, desktop, even phone, Android phone will do. You can take up the examination on 5th September, 10 to 12, 2 to 4. Morning 2 papers, evening 2 papers. Objective only, online, MCQ, choose the correct answer. Yes, friends. So please start preparing. Online examination RR Academy is conducting. You can, wherever you are in India, you can take up the examination, which we may start from, which we may commence from, say, 21st or 22nd. Details you can get to know from RR Academy. You can go through the website, rracademy.in website. And phone numbers are there, you can contact. This is for foundation. Now for inter and final. Inter and final, friends, you have to take up the examination on 21st October. 21st October, no home-based examination. It is a time for us to prove ourselves that we are capable. It is center-based examination. It's good center-based examination. And it is online examination. Here, a new question paper pattern has been published by our institute that you can go through by going through the institute website. For all the subjects, for all the papers, the mock test model question papers have been released with answers. Please go through. Even RR Academy will be conducting model exam in the month of September 15th. After September 15th, we will be conducting the model exam. You can take up the examination wherever you are, as per the new pattern, both inter and final. So it is definite that we will be taking up online center-based examination. Now, the question paper pattern, roughly I will give idea, and one more YouTube, I will explain all the pattern of the question papers in detail. Normally, it goes through, friends, like this. One, as usual, MCQ is there, about 20 marks. Then the second one, true or false, fill in the blanks. Maybe another for 10 marks or 20 marks. Maybe roughly about 30 to 35 marks. Objective questions will be there. And there is a time limit also they give for that. There is a time limit. Say within 15 minutes, you have to complete the section A, section B. Yes, this is one just information only. I have not gone through the entire paper. I have gone through the financial accounting of CMA Group 1. So based on that, I am explaining. So it's going to be like this for all the paper. Problem will be given, and that there will be 3 subdivisions. Yes, based on that problem, 3 types of questions they will ask, and including theory. Theory also forming part of the question paper. You have to please start practicing the typing skills in the computer. You must type fastly. So descriptive question papers also given. Anyhow, all those things I will come out in detail with the next YouTube presentation. So thank you very much, friends.